In the quaint village of Whiskerville, nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a peculiar creature that captured the hearts and imaginations of its residents, a three-headed orange cat named Marmalade. Each head had its own distinct personality. The first head, named Oliver, was curious and adventurous, the second, Bela, was wise and nurturing, and the third, Max, was mischievous and playful. One sunny afternoon, as the villagers prepared for the annual harvest festival, Marmalade decided it was the perfect time for an adventure. "Let's explore the enchanted forest," Oliver suggested, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Bela, always the voice of reason, replied, "But we must be careful. The forest is full of mysteries and magic." Max, with a cheeky grin, chimed in, "Oh, come on. What's life without a little fun?" With a mix of enthusiasm and caution, the trio set off toward the forest. As they ventured deeper, they encountered shimmering streams, towering trees, and flowers that sang sweet melodies. However, they soon stumbled upon a peculiar sight, a giant, glowing mushroom that pulsed with a soft light. "Let's touch it," Max exclaimed, darting forward. "Wait," Bela cautioned, but it was too late. Max had already pressed his paw against the mushroom, and in an instant, a burst of colorful light enveloped them. When the light faded, the trio found themselves in a magical realm filled with talking animals and vibrant landscapes. They met a wise old owl who explained that they had entered the land of whimsy, where dreams and reality intertwined. "To return home, you must solve the riddle of the forest," the owl said, his eyes twinkling. The riddle was challenging, but with Oliver's curiosity, Bela's wisdom, and Max's playful spirit, they worked together to decipher it. After much thought and laughter, they finally found the answer hidden in the heart of the forest. A secret that revealed the importance of friendship and teamwork. With the riddle solved, the forest shimmered once more, and the trio was transported back to Whiskerville just in time for the harvest festival. As they celebrated with the villagers, Marmalade realized that their adventure had brought them even closer together. From that day on, the three-headed orange cat became a beloved legend in Whiskerville, reminding everyone that with curiosity, wisdom, and a little mischief, anything is possible.
तो चलो मिलते हैं अगली बार एक और मस्ती भरे गीत के साथ। तब तक किसी की मस्ती में लाइक करो,